89% of college students admit to using ChatGPT for homework. Study claims 89. Wait, what? We did a previous topic. We were talking about those that were willing to admit on a survey that they had used ChatGPT on their actual finals, on exams, essays, and so on. Homework is a different question. And I also think like everybody doesn't really answer these things. It's not, and if they do they answer it authentically? I mean, I know it's anonymous, but you never know.
Yeah.
But then you ask the homework question, just generic homework. Have you used it for homework? And then I guess, according to this article, 89% of college students say, well, hell yeah. That's why Willie Doo can't get on. That's why we're melting down the internal core of ChatGPT, because we're all doing homework right now. Well, we're not doing the homework. ChatGPT is doing the homework. We're just sitting there watching it do the homework. You understand? We're inputting it. Educators are battling a new reality, easily accessible AI that allows students to take immense shortcuts, is taking over the world. Online course provider Study.com asked 1,000 students over the age of 18 about their use of ChatGPT. Responses were surprising. A full 89% said they'd used it on homework, and 48% confessed they've made use of it for complete an at-home test or quiz. 50% said they used ChatGPT to write an essay, and 22% admitted to having asked ChatGPT for a paper outline. The paper outline, everybody seems okay. They're like, let me get an outline. We get an outline real quick. Even you, when you were asked about titling and stuff, you're like, I do a little brainstorm.
Who am I talking to?
To your ChatGPT.
Oh.
You say, hey, Chat, I'm going to just... Like you're trying to justify yourself to
a
it.
robot.
Yeah, that's right. Let's do a little brainstorm. What do you say? ChatGPT like, oh, I don't mind whatsoever.
Have a Boston accent?
It seems like the brainstorm or the outline is where everybody feels comfortable. And then
Inspiration.
You work your way up to, let's say, at-home test or quiz, and everyone's like, my God, the world is falling apart.
Yeah.
So there is a range to it, but it is worth discussing, and it is complicated because obviously, well, you can imagine the ability to think and the ability to comprehend, the ability to express oneself. All these things are kind of different in an environment where our knee jerk is to have it generated instead of generating it from here where we have for however many years we've been doing that. So big implications over here.